Ever tried to send some crypto and got hit with a crazy high fee? Or maybe you sent a transaction and it just seemed to be stuck in limbo for what felt like forever. You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of gas fees, transaction speeds, and network congestion. Let's break down what's really happening behind the scenes on the blockchain. So, first up, what even is a gas fee? Think of the blockchain like a giant, super secure highway system. To get your transaction from point A to point B, you need to pay a toll. This toll is the gas fee. It's the payment you make to the network's validators, or miners, who use their computing power to process and secure your transaction, adding it to the blockchain. The more complex your transaction, like interacting with a smart contract versus a simple transfer, the more gas it needs, and the higher the fee. Now, why do these fees sometimes skyrocket? It all comes down to supply and demand. The blockchain has a limited amount of space in each new block, which means it can only process a certain number of transactions at a time. When a lot of people are trying to make transactions all at once, maybe a popular NFT is dropping, or there's a big market move, it's like rush hour traffic. Everyone is competing for that limited space on the highway. This traffic jam is what we call network congestion. To get your transaction processed ahead of others, you have to offer a higher toll or a higher gas fee. It becomes a bidding war. Validators who are economically motivated will prioritize transactions with the highest fees because it earns them more money. If you set your gas fee too low during a busy period, your transaction might get stuck waiting in the mempool, which is like a big waiting room, until the traffic dies down and fees become cheaper. This directly ties into transaction speed. The time it takes for your transaction to be confirmed is largely dependent on the gas fee you're willing to pay and how congested the network is. Pay a premium, and you'll likely fly through the fast lane. Try to save a few bucks, and you might be sitting in traffic for a while. This is a core challenge in the blockchain world, often referred to as the scalability trilemma, trying to balance security, decentralization, and speed. So how do we fix this? The crypto community is buzzing with solutions. Layer 2 scaling solutions are a huge one. Think of them as express toll roads built on top of the main blockchain highway. They bundle up tons of transactions off-chain and then settle them all at once on the main chain, which drastically reduces fees and speeds things up for everyone. Projects like Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism are leading the charge here. Another big development is the shift from proof of work, the system that miners use, to proof of stake. Ethereum's big upgrade is a perfect example. Proof of stake is way more energy efficient and is designed to improve scalability over the long term, which should eventually lead to a more stable and user-friendly fee environment. Other blockchains are also being built from the ground up with scalability in mind, using different technologies to handle thousands of transactions per second without breaking a sweat. So next time you're faced with a high gas fee, you'll know exactly what's going on. It's the digital economy of supply and demand playing out in real time. You can check a gas tracker website to see the current network traffic before you send, or consider using a layer 2 solution for a smoother, cheaper experience. The future is bright, and developers are working hard to make blockchains faster and more accessible for all of us. Thanks for tuning in to understand the nuts and bolts of the blockchain. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more crypto deep dives. See you in the next one.